Twitter marketing. This is one of the most powerful social media platform where you can promote your business, you can promote your products, you can branding your any product, whatever you want. This is very useful and helpful platform. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can run your promotion in Twitter and how you can do Twitter marketing very easily, and I will show you all the secret tips. If you are beginner and want to learn social media marketing, and for this Twitter is one of the most important platform. So here you want to learn how to do Twitter marketing in 2022. I will show you all updated secrets how you can do marketing very easily. So please watch this tutorial from first to last. If you miss any tips, then you could miss a lot of chances to do success. Please make sure you have subscribed our channel. We make tutorials regularly and you will get more marketing related tutorial in future. So hit the subscribe button and stay connected with RBN Web Solutions. So let's start our main work. I think you know how to create Twitter account. So I think you have a Twitter account and you are logged in. So we have a Twitter account and we just logged in on our account. And first step, use a very professional profile image in your Twitter account. If you go to profile, you will see here the profile image and cover image. This should be very professional and this should be following your business. If it's your personal account and you are going to use your own image and own name, then make sure you have used a very professional image where you are smiling. Everyone prefer to use a smiling face in the profile picture, and for the Twitter banner you have to use a business related, your business related Twitter banner. So how you can create this type of banner very easily? To create Twitter banner, you can go to canva.com. So browse canva.com and from the search bar, if you search for Twitter, you can click on Twitter header. So click on it and then you will see a lot of design. There have a lot of free design. Don't use pro. We don't need pro at this moment. We are okay with free designs. Suppose I am going to change this banner image on Twitter. So we are going to create a new banner. Suppose this one we are going to choose. So click on it and the banner design will open, and from here easily you can customize. Currently here running Christmas, so we are going to use Christmas related banner. Suppose here we are going to use our company name RBN Web Solutions. So use the company name, and here we can use a tagline: Christmas offer 40% off. Suppose this is our banner image for Twitter. You can easily edit everything, color from here. I will make another tutorial how you can work with Canva. There I will describe about all the options. So suppose this is okay with us because here is running Christmas and this is Christmas related banner, and then we have to download it. So click on download icon simply and then click on download. It's downloaded already. Now we are going to update. Go to our Twitter account and then click on edit profile. From here click on remove photo and then add photo, and this is our image we are going to use. Open. Now if you want to use this image, just simply click on apply and save, but we are not using this image right now. This one is perfect for us. So I showed you how you can create a banner image for Twitter and what type of profile image should be there, and then the next step is username. This is very important things. If you don't use professional or business related username, then this will not be good. You must have to use a business related username. Suppose you are a graphic designer, then you can use graphics pro or graphic designer or professional graphic designer. Or if you have any company or agency, then you can simply use agency username. To set a username, you have to click on more and then settings and privacy, and from here click on account information. Here you have to put your password and then confirm, and you can see username. From here you can set your business related or your work related username. And now we are going to show you how you can tweet perfectly, because this is the most important part. We are going to show you which tips you should follow when you make a tweet. So we have a website rbnwebsolutions.com. Suppose we are going to share this website or we are going to promote this one. So what type of things I have to do? Firstly, we are going to use some sentence, business related, obviously, promotional sentence. We are a top class web development agency. If you need any website, contact with us. Some text you can use, and then the most important part in a tweet, hashtag. What type of hashtag you should use and how you should use to get more engagement and to reach your tweet in many people. You can use some post related text. Suppose WordPress agency, WordPress website, web developer. In the right side you can see here some trending hashtag. You should use some trending hashtag. Suppose this one we are going to use, and then case 2. With this hashtag, a lot of tweets people are making with those hashtags. So if you use this hashtag, the tweet will reach to more people. You can use some trending hashtag and some your business related or post related tag hashtag, and then you can use a image here, but we are not going to use any image for now. And then make tweet. Our tweet has been done, and now if we use any hashtag for search, suppose WordPress agency. Now search WordPress agency. you will see at the top our post. If you go to latest, you will see our post. So now I am a client and searching for web developer. So I am going to home and searching for web developer. So suppose I am a client. So when I search for web developer, you can see our tweet at the top. So now if I am a client, I will see this tweet and we can get the link or contact information from the post. So this is the best way to reach to your clients. Make sure you are doing at least 10 posts in a day. You should do at least 10 tweets in a day and 300 tweets in a month. Make sure it. Then you will get a huge engagement and your post will reach to a lot of people. Then what you should to do, this is the way how you can make any post, and you will see here your business related or your profession related or your recent tweet related tweets. Here you can make some love and retweet any post, and then you can do make some comment. Suppose from here click on replay, and then you can make some replay from here. Then you will get more engagement, more user in your profile. This will be very helpful, and this is the another tricks. What's next? Then you have to search for some profile which are already famous in your business category. Suppose I am a WordPress developer searching for WordPress, and then go to people, so you will be able to see all the users. Then follow them. WordPress, follow. They are WordPress related, so follow them. You could get follow back also. If you follow them, every day you will see their post in your timeline, and then you can replay or retweet. If you follow them, and after that go to suppose a professional and famous user, suppose WordPress, go there, and here also love their tweets, and then retweet WordPress tweets. So retweet, if you want to add something in the retweet, you can also do this. Suppose we are going to add some comments, so choice this, and here you can type some text. Suppose WordPress 5.9 was so impressive, just loved it. We can make any WordPress website. You can use hashtag here also, WordPress website. And now if you tweet, the retweet will be available on your profile. If you go to your profile, and you will see the retweet. If you retweet their post, you will get more engagement to your profile or to your post. If you go back, you will see other top profiles who are doing WordPress related jobs. Follow them and retweet and comment to their post. You can add some comments also. Suppose this profile is also related to WordPress. You can make some comments by clicking here. You can do some comments. Now if you search for WordPress and click on the latest, and you will see all the WordPress related latest tweets. Some moments ago we have retweeted WordPress tweet. It's also showing here with hashtag because we have used WordPress and we searched for WordPress. When you use some sentence, and then you can also use hashtag which is related to your business. So it's showing here all WordPress related posts. Here you can make some laugh, then you can also some comments. If you make comments which words is related to business, make that hashtag. Suppose here we can see here how to do an SEO competitor analysis in WordPress. You can make some comments, suppose WordPress hashtag, because it is related to our business. WordPress is really SEO friendly. SEO could be your business, then make it hashtag and then replay. So this was our another steps, and now what we should to do. Now we should search some celebrity profile, suppose Donald Trump, or maybe his previous account has been deleted. Suppose President Biden. He has a lot of followers, 15 million plus followers. If you comment here, when they make post, if you can comment or retweet instantly, then you will be able to get a huge engagement to your any post or retweet or on your profile. So when they make any tweet, immediately retweet or comment here, must you will get a very impressive result. So this is the another way. In this way, actually you can easily do Twitter marketing. Actually, if you follow those all steps every day, make sure and keep it in your mind that you have to do all those things regularly. If you do those things for 7 days or 10 days, you will not get any result. You have to do regularly and you have to follow all steps. Then after a long time, suppose 1 or 2 months, you will get a good result. Don't expect instant result. This marketing is really a long time thing, so you have to keep marketing, and then you have to do all those things professionally and perfectly. Then wait, you will get success. So in this way you can easily do a Twitter marketing and all the secret tips I have showed you. So I hope this tutorial will help you, and for more this type of tutorial, please make sure you have subscribed our channel. If subscribe our channel, our WordPress community will grow up more faster and we will get more inspiration to create more powerful tutorials in future. So thank you. Stay connected with RBN of Solutions.